This is KINE 1338. This is a Concepts of Physical Fitness and Wellness class, online class. And my name is Wes Adams. I'll be the instructor for the course. What I want to do with this video is make a generic video that I can show students how to navigate through the course. Even if you new to online, or maybe you've taken online courses before, I want to show you how my class is different and how it's organized so that you don't get lost. Now this is the home page, and that's the book that we'll use in class. I don't care if you use the 16th or 17th edition. If you can find the 16th cheaper, it'll still work for this course as well. You may have some different page numbers, but not a big deal. Now this is the modules page that I just clicked on. This is the most important page for this course. When I was a student, I took online courses, and sometimes they weren't put together well. You would have all these different links here in the tab menus, and it would take you to all sorts of different pages, and it was real easy to get lost in the course. And so when I started teaching, I wanted to make sure that my students had an easy time finding all the assignments. That way it would take the stress off you. It'd be just one more thing, or one less thing that you wouldn't have to think about. So now this course orientation page is mandated by Distance Learning, and it's got the welcome video. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you found this. And the textbook information's on there. It's okay to have the 16th or 17th edition. Here's the technology information that I want you to know. So make sure you go through and make sure you can do all that. The BioSig information, you essentially create like a password in order for you to take tests, and it pops up sometimes while you're taking tests. So you've got to do that before you can take the midterm or final in this course. But I try to limit it. I didn't put it on all the assignments like some people will do. I just put it on the two main ones because we had to. And then you notice here, this link will show you how to set up your user profile and preferences on how you want to be notified. And one more thing I want to point out: if you've taken online courses before for the Alamo colleges, this used to be a module, and it was required by Distance Learning. Now they've made it a tab. That's the only difference. Now here's what's most important for this class that I really want you to understand. Week 1, when this class starts, this is everything that you need to do week 1. You don't have to go out to any outside links. Everything is within that module. So make sure you do everything week 1. It'll start off with a video introduction explaining what's important, what you need to look at, what you need to do first. And you'll notice here's the syllabus. Don't freak out if on this video maybe you're watching this, let's say it's spring 2017 and you're seeing fall 2016, because I'm going to reuse this video a bunch. So don't worry if these dates here that you see in the modules are different than what you see on your page. And just make sure you do everything within each module. So let's say it's week 2. You're like, well, what do I need to complete for week 2? Well, here it is. Everything within week 2 module. Watch the intro. It'll tell you what to do. These are just videos. It looks like a really long module. These are just videos showing you how to do the test for the pre and post testing. And same thing, week 3. Every week you complete that module. So it's pretty self-explanatory. And that's it. I just want to make sure that it's pretty simple to navigate. And again, if you see some dates on this video that are different than dates that you see in your class, don't worry. I'm only going to change this video unless something major changes within Canvas. So don't freak out if you're seeing different dates here that don't make any sense for the semester that you're in. But other than that, it's pretty easy. This is the Concepts of Physical Fitness Wellness course. If you wanted to sum it all up in just a few quick sentences, it is teaching you how to become a personal trainer. How would you train yourself, or how would you train other people? And it's giving you all that relevant information that you would need to know in order to do that correctly and quantify your results, all that good stuff. So that's it. It's a fun course. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in future videos.